In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your YouTube subscribers on mobile. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, exit YouTube. Once you do that, open your browser, whatever browser you're using, whether it's Chrome, whatever, open it. Once you've opened your browser, what you want to do now is that you want to search for YouTube and then click on the YouTube website. Once you do that, make sure the account you want to check your subscribers on is the account you are logged in on YouTube. So if that's the case, click on your three lines or whatever browser you're using and switch over to the desktop site. So once you have switched on to the desktop site, what you want to do now is that you want to zoom in and then click on your profile. Once you do that, switch over to the Creator Studio by clicking on the Creator Studio option. Click on the Return to Studio option if it gives you this option. It's then going to take you over to your YouTube Studio dashboard, and what you want to do now is that you want to zoom in, and you can see here where it says recent subscribers. This is where you'll be able to see your subscribers. So click on the See All option, then zoom out again. So as you can see, it's then going to show you all your subscribers for the last 90 days. So if you wanted to show you your all-time subscribers, you can simply click on the last 90 days option and then click the lifetime option. And that will show you all your subscribers for your lifetime. So that's how you can easily check your subscribers on YouTube on mobile.